What's good, boos? It's Sheen Boo, and you already know. Welcome to Los Angeles! Good boos, it's Sheen Boo, and you already know. So today we are going to be doing Fenty skin. I actually have nothing on my skin right now. I just got some cocoa butter on my lips, but this is what my skin looks like pre-Fenty skin. Let me show you guys the box. Isn't this cute? Look at the packaging. It says Fenty skin, and the goods are right here. Let's see if it smells like anything. The fat water is basically scentless. It's a toning serum. We have the Total Cleanser, Remove It All Cleanser. Total Cleanser, Remove It All Cleanser. And we have the Invisible Moisturizer, Hydra Vizior. It's in the box, the only thing that's in the box. So it comes like this. So I'm assuming they do it like this so that you can refill it. So when you order it the next time, you just order the refill and then you just pop it in here and you have a pump. After you pop it in, you just twist it when you want to pump it out, and then twist it down to keep it flat and keep it from spilling. So let's go ahead and go from skin to Fenty skin. So we are going to start by adding some water to our face so that the cleanser can get a nice lather. So I went ahead and rinsed that cleanser off, and you can see that my skin is nice and pretty and smooth. And then I'm patting it dry before I go in with the toner. So when I was unboxing it, there was a sticker on top, so I didn't know that it was a squeeze bottle. That's why I had took the whole top off to smell it. But it is a squeeze bottle, as you can see, and it goes on nice and smooth. So I typically apply my toner with a cotton swab. It's really not needed, but I wanted to apply some more just because I wanted to. And I wanted to show you guys how it worked with a cotton swab, and it works just as good as it does without it. You can just use your hands And I'm putting the toner on my neck just like I did with the cleanser. So now for the moisturizer, I went ahead and pumped it and it wasn't coming out. And then I was like, oh, it came out and I only need one pump, and I'm gonna go ahead and evenly distribute it over my skin. Now, the face cleanser and the toner are basically scentless, but the moisturizer, which is what I'm using right now, it has a nice cherry blossom smell. Like, people were saying on their videos that it was very strong, and if you have sensitive skin, not to use it, but it wasn't really strong to me, and it did my skin so good. Y'all, look at this skin, bruh. I had to give y'all some close-ups because I really wanted y'all to see. And I just went ahead and rubbed the moisturizer over my lips as well, and it felt fine and it didn't taste funny. And now we have Fenty skin. Looking good, girl. Looking good. Looking smart. All right, boos. Let me give y'all my opinion on this cleanser. So the cleanser, I didn't have makeup on. So comment down below if you guys want me to do a video telling you how it cleanses my skin after I've worn makeup. Because it says it removes it all, like your makeup and all that. But I wasn't wearing makeup. I just started off with bare skin, but I really like the cleanser. I feel nice and clean, and I've never had a cleanser make my skin feel moisturizing. Like, this is so moisturizing. Like, how is a cleanser moisturizing? I don't know, but Fenty, you did this right, sis. Riri, you did your thing, girl. Hyper clean, soft skin without stripping or drying, daily cleanser and makeup remover in one. So did it do that? Yes, it did. It did. It did cleanse my skin without giving me that stripping feeling. Also, this cleanser is basically scentless. It doesn't have really any scent to it, which I like. Now let's go on to the toner. Instantly refines the look of pores, reduces the look of dark spots, and even skin tone, fights shine without stripping. So I don't know about the reduces the look of dark spots because this is my first time using it, so I'll probably have to use it over time. As you can see, I do have a few dark spots here. These are not from acne though. These are just like, they're not from acne. I don't really get acne. This is a burn, and this is also a burn from waxing my eyebrows myself. Quarantine problems. So I don't know about it reducing dark spots, but it does even out the skin tone, and it's not shiny at all. It didn't give me a shine at all. The moisturizer kind of gave me a shine, but yeah, this didn't give me a shine at all. And yeah, it does refine your face and the look of the pores. So yes to that as well. I have to pop this one out to read it. This one, I had to get the box, so I forgot it came in a box. So I'm like, it doesn't claim anything on the package, but it just says it's a sunscreen and it helps prevent sunburn. So obviously I cannot attest to that as of now because I just did my skin. I haven't even been outside yet, but it is very moisturizing and it's smooth and it gives like a minimal shine, but it's not greasy. I haven't even put on any chapstick yet. I just ran the moisturizer over my lips as well. And as far as my skin, obviously you can see that it looks great. I put it on my neck too. My neck looks very soft, but the texture feels soft, but overall I feel like it gave my skin like a tightness, like a lift almost. It's weird, but it's like soft yet firm. Cleanser, 10 out of 10. Toner, 10 out of 10. Moisturizer, 10 out of 10. Now, I am thoroughly impressed. Normally, when I use skincare products, I don't suffer from acne or hyperpigmentation or anything like that. But it'll normally give me really fine bumps, and I don't have sensitive skin either. But this didn't do any of that. And usually after I wash my face, I can see the little tiny bumps immediately. I don't see any of that with this Fenty skin. I actually wasn't gonna buy it, I'm not gonna lie, because I'm like, oh, this is just another Fenty thing that people are gonna hype up. And I like to buy stuff because I want to try it, not because it's hyped. And I could say, like, there's no lie in it. If you're interested in getting it, I would recommend that you get it because everything works lovely. Again, if you guys want me to do an updated like an update after I've been using it for a while, I will most definitely use that. And I can attest to the claims as far as it reducing the appearance of dark spots and how it serves as a sunscreen and the other stuff that I can't test right now from in the house. Bottom line is 10 out of 10 would recommend go get you some Fenty Skin. Like, comment, and subscribe. Keep up with Sheen Boo all the time. Instagram, Twitter, Periscope, Sheen Boo. You already know. Like, comment, and subscribe. Keep up with Sheen Boo all the time. Snapchat and all of that. You already know where Sheen Boo is at. Sheen Boo. You already know.
Good night, Los Angeles.